Go.
The planet is heating up and fast. Global warming is happening now. The planet's temperature is rising. The trend is clear and unmistakable. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Selina, and today I will teach you some important facts about global warming and its serious effects. Global warming refers to an increase in average global temperatures. Our Earth is getting hotter and hotter every year. The temperature rises because of the increase in greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and other air pollution, and humans are blamed for raising the temperatures of the Earth. As I mentioned, carbon dioxide and other air pollution are the main cause of global warming. They act as a blanket trapping the sun's heat, and it causes the Earth's temperatures to go up. Automobiles that people use every day generate lots of carbon dioxide. Coal power plants produce significantly more pollution, so it is important that we use electric cars and try to produce energy from alternative sources such as solar, wind, and waves. Deforestation is another main cause because we don't have enough trees to absorb the carbon dioxide. So we shouldn't cut the trees but plant lots of trees instead. The glaciers of the North and South Poles are melting, so polar bears and penguins are losing their habitat. If all the ice melts, polar bears and penguins will be extinct, and our next generation will not be able to really see them in the wild. And this is why we have to find solutions to save them. Let's look at this graph to understand how the temperature is changing. As you can see here, from 1890s to the early part of the 20th century, the temperatures were nearly the same. But after 1940, the temperature was increasing rapidly. Check out the difference between 1900 and 2000. People are building more factories and using more fossil fuels, so the atmosphere started trapping more heat. Then, what will happen in the future? The temperature rises 3.5 degrees Celsius. About 40 to 70% of species on Earth will be extinct. And in 2060, when we are over 50, lots of coastal areas, including Bangkok, will be under the water because of the rising sea level. And all coral reefs on Earth will be gone because of the rising sea temperature. And this will cause our entire ecosystem to collapse. In 2100, when we are over 90, most of us will be suffering from a lack of water, food, and energy. And future generations will not be able to really survive. But fortunately, you know, it is never too late to make a difference. I already mentioned using alternative energy and preventing deforestation. But let me explain just one more thing that today we can easily do. Let's get rid of disposable chopsticks. Koreans use about 2.5 billion pairs of these chopsticks every year. That means corals the size of 26 and some mountains have to be cut down every year to make that many chopsticks. Trees play an important role because they absorb the carbon dioxide. With less mountains and trees, we will definitely have a hotter planet. With a little bit care from everybody, I am sure that we can prevent the worst effects of global warming. Thank you. Are there any questions?
Questions about global warming? The Earth is getting warmer. Questions, Peter? Okay.
What does CFC mean?
Yeah?
What does CFC mean?
CFC. That was on an earlier slide.
What do you call the global warming
Vicky, can you go back to the one more? Yeah.
What does CFC mean?
This?
Yes.
I don't know right, but I think it is something to to catch the flies.
Thank you. More questions? Lots of information.
What changes in Korea is always because of global warming? What changes in Korea is always because of global warming?
I don't know what you mean.
No more questions? Okay, thank you very much, Selina.